So the next report I take you into is the margin funding risk monitoring. For this, you need to go to transactions and after that click on to margin funding risk monitoring. After having done so, this page will pop up right here. Now, what you got to do here is you need to uncheck this only traded client, because if you keep this checked, then the transactions for all the clients which have traded for the day, only those will show up. Your complete data for all the clients won't show up over here. So you need to uncheck this, and after having done so, just click on refresh. So now, what is the utility and the purpose of this report? This handy report gives you an overall idea of all the position of the stock and the margin for the period for all the clients within a branch. So this is a complete report which shows you the total position of all the clients for the period within a branch. Now, if you want to like search for a particular client over, you can just need to type in the name. For example, I type Saurav Ghosh. So this is comes up here. So now let me take you step by step. This is the client code here. You can always like sort it down from here. This is the client name, the branch code, and the financial. Now financial is the net debit credit. This is the net debit credit of the client. The unrealized amount, if there is some what's the like ultimate stock position, what is the POA stock before haircut, after haircut, what is the stock before haircut, after haircut. This shows up right here. After that, now the span margin, what is the initial span, what is the total span margin, and what is the previous span margin that has been deposited before the day, and the span difference. Now after having done so, you need to you see that the net margin available, that is the total stock minus the either the debit or the credit. When you do so, the net margin that is available is reflected here. So accordingly, you get the position, and if the client has traded for the day, the debit credit for the day comes up. This is a today debit credit. What is the debit credit as of today? So here how it goes, and it gives you a total and a complete report for all the clients. You can like search for any of them. Now after having given you this brief description, now if you want to like get into the details of this client for particular client, like if you want to go into this client, you want to start the complete, just need to double click this right here. When you double click, this page loads over here, and this shows the complete stock details of this particular client, the all the strips that have been bought up. Just scroll it down here. Opening value, the market value, the rate at which is transacted. Over here it is the rate of the futures, and this is the margin right here, the cash details. Now the what is the net margin available for the client? It shows up right here, the POA stock, the net debit, sorry, over here it is the net margin, the net debit credit of the financials here, and obviously the client code, the client name. Now what is the position in particular exchange, like the NSE futures or the NSE, and after that the exchange, the margin that has been deposited exchange wise over here. So this is what it shows up, and you can get all the details that you wish for from here. Thank you.